spending skills talaga ang issue.
Oo.
Spending skills talaga, mas gusto nila mag-spend sa mga bagay na doesn't make them better or doesn't give them more freedom or money.
Oo.
So, i-fix lang yun eh. I-fix lang yung mindset na yun. Set your goals. Magbabago ka ng spending habits for sure.
Tsaka ito spiritually speaking, pag hindi mo pinipili yung sarili mo, it's like telling the universe, I don't deserve money. I don't deserve abundance. I don't deserve. Pinipili mo yung basura, pagkain, I don't deserve abundance.
Agree.
Kasi mura. Pero pinili mo to, mahal to, pero it's gonna give me good nutrition. It's gonna be, yayaman ako dito.
Correct. More
Maganda
energy.
yung pakiramdam ko. Mahaba yung buhay ko. Puta, habang buhay, it's already wealth eh.
Correct. That's true wealth para sa akin.
Oh.
Diba? True wealth. Kasi hindi mo naman mababalik na yung nasira mong health condition eh. Pera, you can make it again eh.
Wala na.
Health, mahirap yun. Mahirap. Kaya if I were to go back, mas papahalagahan ko pa yung health ko talaga over money. Pero hindi mo maiwasan, no? Pag starting ka, no? Masasacrifice talaga yung health mo.
Malaking wound sa akin kasi talaga yung namatay airmat ko ng cancer eh. Yun yung parang di ba?
Talaga?
Yun yung sabi ko, lalagpasan ko yan si 57 namatay yung nanay ko, cancer.
Bata rin, no?
So, yun kailangan, sabi ko,
Ilang years lumaban yun?
5 years.
5 years.
Pero grabe yung, buti na lang kahit papaano may pera kami. Pero grabe yung emotional and financial burden.
Drain, oo.
Grabe.
Nakaka-drain.
Isang sakit lang, pero yun nga eh, dapat alagaan mo na.
Pero di mo rin talaga maiwasan eh, di ba? Sipin mo kahit gaano ka ka-healthy, kahit anong tirada mong health dyan, minsan di mo rin talaga masabi. Pero as much as possible,